Have you ever felt like you're working really hard, staying really busy, and constantly trying to grow your business, but somehow you're still not making the progress you expected? Most entrepreneurs think that they have a marketing problem, a sales problem, or even a productivity problem. But what if the real issue is so much simpler? You never built the foundation. So today we're talking about the Vision Foundation, the very first, arguably the most important foundation in your business, because without a clear vision, every decision becomes harder. Every opportunity becomes distracting, and every system you build risks taking you in the wrong direction. If you're serious about building a business that grows with purpose, not just grows, this video is for you. And before we jump in, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series where we walk through each of the 6 foundations designed to help entrepreneurs scale with confidence. So let's talk about what the Vision Foundation is. When most people hear the word vision, they think of a mission statement hanging on a wall. But that's not what I'm talking about. The Vision Foundation is your business operating compass. It answers questions like, where is this business going? What does success actually look like? What are we trying to build? What kind of company or business do we want to become? What should we say yes to? And more importantly, what should we say no to? Without those answers, entrepreneurs spend years reacting instead of leading, spinning around and never getting to what they truly started the business for. Every new opportunity feels exciting. Every new idea feels important. Every trend feels like something you have to chase. But eventually you are busy, but you're not actually moving towards anything intentionally. The Vision Foundation changes that. It creates clarity before strategy, and because strategy without vision is just an activity. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is believing they can figure everything out as they go. While flexibility is important and being agile is important, direction is even more important. Think about building a house. You wouldn't start pouring the concrete before looking at the blueprint. Yet that's exactly how many businesses operate. They hire new employees, invest in software, create processes, launch products faster than they can keep up, run marketing campaigns before they even have the products live and ready to go, without ever defining the destination. Then 6 months later, or even just 2 months later, they wonder why everything feels so disconnected. When your vision is clear, every decision becomes so much easier. Hiring becomes easier, marketing becomes easier, leadership becomes easier. Even saying no becomes easier because you know exactly what aligns with your long-term goals. A clear vision does not eliminate those hard decisions. It simply gives you the confidence to make them. So, the Vision Foundation Academy was created to help entrepreneurs stop guessing and start building intentionally. Inside, you'll find practical tools that guide you through creating a business with purpose. Resources include the Business Vision Workbook. This is a step-by-step guide that helps you define exactly what you're building with the prompts to get your brain thinking in that direction. The Mission and Core Value Template, because culture starts long before your very first employee. Your values become the filter for every decision your business makes. Then there's an annual strategic planning workbook, turning long-term dreams into annual objectives. Your quarterly planning workbook, breaking large goals into achievable 90-day priorities, because businesses grow quarter by quarter and not all at once. The SMART Goal Planner transforms your ideas into measurable actions. Your business roadmap template maps out where your business is today, even if you're just getting started, and where you're going with the milestones you want to hit along the way. Then, of course, you've got the Success Metrics Dashboard, because what gets measured gets improved. Track those KPIs that actually matter instead of chasing vanity metrics. The Personal Vision Planner is also very important. Your business should support your life, not consume it. So this planner helps align your personal goals with the business goals so both can grow together and actually work really well together. Your Strategic Planning Guide, which is a framework to help you think like a CEO instead of constantly operating like an employee inside your own business. Then there's a bonus AI prompt. Use the AI prompts to accelerate your planning, your brainstorming, documenting your ideas, and creating clarity without starting from scratch every single time. A lot of people think this is only for startups. Well, actually, it is not. It's really for entrepreneurs starting their first business, but also business owners preparing to scale, leaders who are trying to realign their teams, organizations that have grown without directions, individuals planning their career or personal goals, because vision isn't just for businesses. It's for really anyone trying to intentionally build something meaningful. Without vision, you chase opportunities instead of creating them. You become reactive instead of proactive. Your team becomes confused. Your priorities constantly change. Growth feels chaotic, and eventually you mistake motion for progress. That's why every other foundation inside the Optima method starts here, following with operations, processes, leadership, growth, and even personal development. None of those can fully succeed if the destination is not clear first. If you've been wondering why your business feels harder than it should, or you're looking like you're trying to make a change, it might not be your effort. It might not be your systems. It might just simply be that you've never intentionally built your vision foundation. And that's exactly why I created the Vision Foundation Academy, to help entrepreneurs build with clarity before complexity. If you're not sure where your business stands today and where you need to start with a free business foundation assessment. In just a few minutes, you'll identify which of the 6 foundations needs the most attention and receive a personalized starting point for strengthening your business. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another entrepreneur or business owner who needs to stop guessing and start building with intention. And remember, your business is not broken. Your foundation might be, but it's all fixable. I'll see you in the next video.